Morning breaks where the waters meet. Rising sun and a slow heartbeat. The Ohio joins as the Mississippi goes. They become one. There she flows. Stronger together than alone. She carries the weight that built our homes. There she flows, wide and slow, where the Ohio gives the Mississippi soul. Rolling through the heartland to the Gulf below. She's a mighty river. There she flows. Tugboats rumble at the break of day, pushing barges on their way. Grain and steel on a river so strong, keeping America moving along. There she flows, timeless and free, the lifeblood of our big country. From the heartland down to the Gulf below, she carries America. There she flows. Where the Ohio joins the ride, the Mississippi swells with pride. Two rivers become one soul, heading south as it rolls. There she flows, wild and wise, reflecting endless southern skies. Through every season, flood and snow, she keeps on moving. There she flows. There she flows, watch her go, the mighty river we all know. Where the Ohio meets the Mississippi grows. There she flows. There she flows.